Important note, this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decision. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Here's your market briefing from Rumour with AI. Global markets are navigating a complex landscape defined by extreme valuation divergences, geopolitical friction, and corporate restructuring risks. The narrative is shifting rapidly as traditional safe havens clash with speculative crypto assets and emerging market resilience. In the equity sector, the yuan has surged to a 3.5-year high against the dollar, signaling a profound divergence in global asset valuations. This currency strength coincides with the S&P 500 Shiller P/E ratio hitting a 156-year extreme. Investors are increasingly wary of U.S. equity overvaluation, rotating capital toward undervalued Asian assets. Meanwhile, geopolitical tensions are injecting fresh volatility into energy markets. Brent crude prices have risen by 0.5% as fighting between Israel and Hezbollah intensifies. Additionally, the prospect of new U.S. sanctions on Iran is driving a significant geopolitical risk premium into energy futures, reminding traders that supply chain stability remains fragile. On the macroeconomic front, data from the Middle East offers a stark contrast to Western uncertainty. Israel's Q2 GDP expanded by an impressive 15.4% annualized, crushing all forecasts. This export-driven rebound suggests that war risks are fading faster than anticipated, potentially paving the way for earlier rate cuts by the Bank of Israel. This unexpected resilience highlights how localized economic engines can thrive even amid regional instability. However, not all corporate stories are positive. Greenlane Holdings is facing a severe liquidity squeeze and potential Nasdaq delisting after its bearer treasury crashed by 77%. The company now hovers near the critical $5 million market value threshold, forcing a desperate scramble for capital preservation. This case underscores the extreme volatility inherent in crypto treasury strategies when market sentiment turns. Looking ahead to today's earnings focus, pre-market attention centers on H World Group, GELYF, and Inspire MD. These reports arrive amidst cooling inflation data and broader S&P 500 volatility. Investors will scrutinize these metrics to gauge whether corporate earnings can justify current equity multiples. With no major economic calendar releases in the next 36 hours, the market is digesting these disparate signals rather than reacting to fresh macro data. The yuan's strength and Israel's growth surge suggest that capital is seeking real value and stability, fleeing the peak valuations of U.S. tech. Traders must watch the yuan-dollar pair closely as it may dictate the next phase of global liquidity flows. That's your market briefing. Follow Rumour with AI for daily market intelligence.